10 largest auto insurance companies June 2021. 2 days ago, the 10 large auto insurers in the United States or state-owned Progressive, Jayco, and State USA, Liberty Mutual, Farmers. What are the largest auto insurance companies? Should I go with a big or small auto insurance companies? List of core insurance companies. What are the 10 biggest car insurance companies? State from 16 and 1900, Gecko, Progressive, or State. The best car insurance companies of 2021 for each of the USA regions examined within the 2020 JD Power Auto Insurance. The 10 largest auto insurance companies in the USA: State Farm, State Farm, Gecko, Allstate, Progressive USA, Farms, Liberty Mutual, Nationwide. The best car insurance companies for June 2021 meet Wallet, the largest car insurance company in the USA, is State Farm with more than 16 of the personal auto insurance market in. People also search for the top 10 auto insurance company in USA. List of car insurance companies, largest auto insurance companies, best car insurance companies. The the 15 largest auto insurance companies for this advice. State Farm, the best car insurance company, June 221 for base advisor. List of car insurance companies, largest companies in 21. America's largest auto insurance companies: number 1 State Farm, number 2 Jayco, number 3 Progressive, number 4 State. The best car insurance companies of 2021 US News World Report. The best car insurance you can get: USA, runner up State Farm, third place Gecko, fourth place Nationwide, fifth Allstate Insurance Company. You are in good hands. Get auto insurance quotes at allstate.com. You are in good hands with Allstate. Allstate also offers insurance for your home, motorcycles, related searches. Best life insurance companies to work. Best life insurance company into work for top 20 auto insurance companies. Cheapest car insurance. Best insurance companies for home and auto. Best car insurance consumer report. State Farm, car insurance USA, car insurance America, car insurance national wide auto insurance.